Hey everyone, Pals Poison here, and welcome to Lunic Possession by Underground. This is a horror game that you can find on itch.io, and I've included a link below, so you can check it out for yourself if you want to. I don't know much about this game, you know me, that's how I like it. Let me adjust some lighting, there we go. And we're just going to check it out. Well, maybe I should look at the controls first, because I almost never do that. Oh man, there's a battery mechanic. I hate battery mechanics, but you know, it is what it is. Okay. So nothing out of the ordinary really. We're gonna check it out. Time to get scary. Do I have the flashlight yet? No. Alright, so very dark to start out with here. It looks like there's a box, some plants. There's a door I probably can't go out of. Here are some flashing things. Very much would love to have a flashlight. Is this a door I can't get through? Yeah. Oh. Well, that helps a lot. Okay, so let's go upstairs, I guess. Okay, key. I'll take the key. Shift to run. And I'll take the next key. Wow. Just getting all the keys, huh? That's not a problem. I'll take some keys. I think I unlocked that, so we can go up here. Methinks maybe I should, oh. Another key. And, what, oh, a battery. Nice. I'm climbing the bed. Not good. I like my awkward little steps downstairs. Alright. So I'm gonna... Oh, I have to put the battery in the flashlight first. There we go. Okay. Spooky. So I don't know if this place is overrun by plants or it's just been abandoned for so long that nature has reclaimed this building. I do question why there are plates in the bathroom. Uh-oh. Something coming? Plant monster? I'm sorry, are we just a stacked lady? Well, whatever. I'm fine with that. I'm a stacked man. It's not how nails work. Alright, let's go in here. So I think we're in a school. That's the premise, and the monster is roaming the halls. And then I think my battery's dead. Batteries don't seem to last very long. You can jump. I thought I jumped out the window for a second. Not a problem. Battery? I hear something. Okay. Any other lights that I can turn on? There we go. We don't need no stinging flashlight. Somebody's having a coughing fit. Go ahead and close that. Oh no, that's our inventory. Oh crap. I think whatever is after us is coming. Well, there doesn't seem to be anything in here that's useful, at least nothing I can see. need to get that cough checked out, my dude. You might have COVID. What the hell was that? Anything useful down here? Battery, maybe? That would be cool. Oh god! Oh god! Alright, so Coffin Joe there caught me. Let's see if I can't do any better. Okay, so we're locked in. Light switch doesn't work this time. Door doesn't work. Maybe the light switch working before was a fluke. Vroom. I'm gonna go upstairs and get the flashlight. Keys, keys everywhere. Okay, reload. F for flashlight, yeah, I know. I'm just not very good at it. Alright, so this is the third floor. We never made it up here before. Got a classroom. So many plants. Honestly, what happened here with all these plants? Nothing there. Again, that's not how nails work. Doesn't seem to be anything useful in here. So I guess if we hear the coughing, we should just get the hell away. Anything in here I need? What is this, a briefcase? Lunchbox? This is not where you want to go to eat your lunch, sir or madam. Okay, nothing useful. What the heck was that noise? Did I already go in here? There's gotta be batteries just lying around, right? I mean, it's a school, right? That's locked. Is that a creature over there? I don't know. It's hard to tell. I don't hear anything. TV's on. Can't turn it off. Not used to pressing F. Uh-oh. Jump. I'm not sure what that is. It's a still shot for Fallout. Ah. Lovely. Alright, this is a dangerous room. It's hard to move around in it. It's loud. So it's hard to hear things. So we're just gonna move on. That's the stairwell. I'm gonna go down here. Hey, what am I stuck on? I don't know, but... Oh god! Wow. I mean, that thing really comes after you. Alright, I'm gonna... What are my options here? Volume, mount sensitivity, resolution, quality, full screen mode, gamma. I'm gonna bump the gamma up. All the way. So it's easier for you to see. That's what everybody always says. Let's see if it's any better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's so easy to see now. Okay, cool. Turn the light on. How come the lights work sometimes, but other times it doesn't? Alright, get this key. Get this key. I'll take the flashlight, but I think we're doing pretty good. Oh, it looks like we can shine the flashlight at the monster and oof, that will deter it, I guess. I wonder if stuff's randomly generated too. Obviously the first few things are not. Oh, I didn't even notice this had like a cage in front of it. Did it though? Monster doesn't like the light, which is just unfortunate for the monster, because I do. Gross. I'd like to hear him coming and then blast him with the flashlight to see if it works. I'm stuck. There we go. Nothing. Okay, where are you, jerk? I'm gonna flashlight you. Oh. There we go. I hear you. Where are you? Coming from the stairs? He got me through the steps before, like the first time. I don't know where he is. Let's just keep moving. We'll go in the box room. Alright, not in here. What? No. Now E is... Oh, I'm turning the lamp on. I thought that was my flashlight because I was pointing right at it. Seems like a strange room to have in a school with these types of lights on the wall. Am I right? Dollars to donuts. There's nothing in the fridge. No. Alright, where are you, jerk? What the? Secret area. It's not really secret. It's just I bet a lot of people don't go back there. God, I wish I could hear him coming a little bit better. I'm afraid to go out here. Not that way. Maybe if I make enough noise. Nothing that way. What's this? Another battery. Come on. Strange room. It's the timeout room. Globe. There he is. Yeah. Yeah. You don't like it, do you? Going down the steps. Okay. Run. Jump. I'm supposed to be collecting something. I think. And it looks like pictures or paintings or something. Oh, there he is. Whoa. Huh, flashlight didn't do a damn thing that time. Okay, well, anyway, I think that's all the time I'm going to put in Lunic Possession. If you want to check it out for yourself, like I said, link is down below. And if you like the video, go ahead and click that like button. And if you haven't already, I would be oh so grateful if you were to subscribe, and I thank you. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye!